Hi grade 2s, welcome to your first math lesson of the week. Today's lesson is pretty simple because we're just going to be working on practicing what we learned last week before we move on to subtraction with regrouping, which is going to be a little bit trickier, but once you've mastered this type of subtraction without regrouping, I think it's going to be much easier to master the trickier stuff later on in the week. So we're just going to do a bunch of revision today. And so it should be a pretty easy lesson. Okay, so if you remember, we were drawing these charts last week, so I'm going to draw one. So my number is 93 minus 62. And I'm going to draw a little cloud around it. And I lost my ruler, which is fine. This is more fun. I'm going to make little squiggles to separate the page like this. Okay, so what do I put in the top corner? I'm going to start with the standard model. I'm going to write that there. Standard model. And the standard model for 93 minus 62. Well, first up, I'm going to write this the way that it's on top of each other so I can see it. 93 minus 62. Now I'm going to highlight it. So I'm going to highlight my ones place. We always start in the ones place. 93 minus 62. So I'll start in my ones. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now I'll move to my tens place. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now I'm going to show you how I check it. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Is this the same as this number? Yes, it is. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Is this the same as my top number? Yes, it is. That's just a way to check. Now I'm going to move on to my expanded form strategy. Okay. So I'm going to write 93 minus 62. 90 plus 3, so I have 9 groups of 10, 90 plus 3 singles, minus 60 plus 2 with a line. Now remember to highlight or circle the multiplication or the minus sign because we are not adding, but these addition signs do make things a little confusing. But we're subtracting, okay? So when we highlight it, we can remember we need to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Gonna carry my plus sign down. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 30 plus 1 is 31, okay? So, same answer as here. I'm going to move on down here, and I'm going to do my number line. I think this one is the toughest for kiddos to understand. So, 93 minus 62. So, which number is going to go at the very end of my number line? Is it going to be 93, or is it going to be 62? It's going to be the bigger number, the top number. 93. But we need to go to 62, okay? So a jump equals 10 spaces, and a little skip is 1 space. So if I move backwards 10 from 93, 10 less than 93 is 83. So that's one big jump, okay? Now 10 less than 83 is 73. Is 73 still more than 62? Yes, so we need to keep going until we reach the 60s. So that's another big jump. Now if 10 less than 73 is 63. Is this still more than this number? Yes, so we keep going. We have to reach 62, so now I have 3 big bumps. Now, if I go 10 more, that would be 53. Well, 62 is the number I want to go to. If I go all the way to 53, I passed 62 already. So how many more to get to 62 from 63? one little skip. So how many big jumps do we have and how many skips? 1, 2, 3 big humps, and they're 10 spaces, so that's 30. And one little one plus 1, so we have 31. And the last method is the base 10 method, where you can go like this, and we have our 10s, and we have our 1s. And if I were to draw 93, it's going to be a big drawing. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10, 5 groups of 10, 6 groups of 10, 7 groups of 10, 8 groups of 10, 9 groups of 10, because I need 93. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And we are taking away 62. I'm going to use blue. 62. So 62 is 6 big blocks, right? 6 groups of 10 and 2 small ones. So I'm going to take 2 small and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have left? I have 3 groups of 10 left, which is equal to 30. And I have one left, or one single left, which is 1. So it's equal to 31. 31, 31, 31, 31. We solved using all 4 methods. Okay, so grade 2s, that is exactly what you're going to do for your practice questions today. You have 4 of them to do, so you're going to draw the chart with the little cloud in the middle, showing the number, and then you're going to do each different strategy and show me how you did your work, okay? When you're finished, have your parents take a picture and upload it onto the slideshow for me, okay? And that's all you have to do today. Just on the bottom here, I'd like you to answer the question, what is your favorite subtraction strategy, okay? So do you like the expanded model? Do you like the standard model? Do you like the number line? Or do you like the base 10 block strategy, okay? Let me know. Have a good rest of the day.